So we just finished our second football season in the stadium. It's a project, it holds 12,000, 6,000 on each side. I had about 8 years of preparation, of visiting stadiums, of taking notes. I think with a project like this, if you don't have a good playing surface and you don't have good lighting, those two things, either or, will ruin the whole project. I knew going in that we wanted Musco lighting. I didn't know that we wanted LED lighting. The folks at Musco educated me about it and showed it to me, and then it was kind of a no-brainer. We talked a lot about who do we know is going to be here? You know, who's solid, who has longevity, who do we know in the end will be here for the warranty. I know we've been burned a couple times on a couple different projects where we went with a company and only to have it go bad and them not even be there to fix it. I think the warranty with Musco obviously came into play. I mean, 25 years replacing lights, I mean, you can't beat that. And the efficiency in which they do it. They show up quickly and they get it swapped out. And man, 25 years of not having to worry about a light bulb going out, that's a good feeling. A couple of experiences that I've had that's kind of reassured our decision. When ESPN came out to do an evaluation before the NCAA Division II National Championship, they called me on the phone first and just asked me what kind of lighting. And when I told them Musco LED, they said, "Oh, you're going to be in great shape." And when they got here and did the physical evaluation, they said, "Oh, it's beautiful. I mean, for TV, you're in great shape." You know, and just bragged about a high school, you know, having that quality of a lighting system. I think the other thing that was big is anytime you do a project like this, you have neighbors nearby. And you know, we had some neighbors that were very concerned about this project, worried about the quality of life with their neighborhoods, and we have had zero complaints from our neighbors because of the LED lighting. I tell people all the time, you can come out here on a Friday night varsity football game, and if the parking lights aren't on, it is pitch black in the parking lot, and there's zero bleed over into the neighborhoods. And I know they've been appreciative because they really anticipated a big problem there, and it just hasn't been. We've just been thrilled to death with the atmosphere, and the lighting is a huge part of that.